Imagine you're drowning in a sea of to-dos. Bills to pay, projects to finish, emails to answer. It's enough to make anyone feel overwhelmed. But what if there was a tool that could help you organize and manage all of these tasks, making your life a whole lot easier? That tool is Wrike. And in this video, we're going to show you exactly how to add tasks to Wrike, so you can finally get a grip on your workload. Ready to dive in? Have you ever felt like your to-do list was growing faster than you could check things off? Or maybe you've tried different productivity apps, but none of them quite fit your workflow. Well, Wrike is here to save the day. It's a powerful task management tool that can help you stay organized, collaborate with your team, and get more done. Understanding Wrike basics. Before we get into adding tasks, let's quickly go over some Wrike basics. Wrike is made up of spaces, projects, and tasks. A space is like a virtual workspace where you can organize all your projects. Think of it as a digital filing cabinet. A project is a container for tasks related to a specific goal or initiative. For example, you might have a project for planning a vacation or launching a new product. And finally, a task is the smallest unit of work in Wrike. It's a specific action or activity that needs to be completed. Adding tasks to Wrike. Now that you have a basic understanding of Wrike, let's get to the fun part. Adding tasks. There are a few different ways to add tasks to Wrike. The easiest way is to simply click the Add Task button at the top of your screen. When you click this button, a new task window will appear. Here, you'll need to enter the following information. Task name. Give your task a clear and concise name. Description. Add any additional details or context that might be helpful. Due date. Set a deadline for the task. Assignee. Assign the task to someone on your team. Priority. Set the task's priority, e.g., high, medium, low. Tags. Add relevant tags to help you organize your tasks. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click Create, and your task will be added to your project. Additional tips for adding tasks. Here are a few additional tips for adding tasks to Wrike. Use the Quick Add feature. For quick and easy task creation, you can use the Quick Add feature. Simply type the task name and press Enter. Create recurring tasks. If you have tasks that need to be completed regularly, you can create recurring tasks. Add attachments. If there are any files or documents related to the task, you can attach them. Use subtasks. Break down complex tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. Collaborating on tasks. One of the great things about Wrike is that it makes it easy to collaborate with your team on tasks. You can assign tasks to specific team members, add comments to tasks, and even create subtasks that can be assigned to different people. This makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page and ensure that tasks are completed on time. Using Wrike to stay organized. In addition to helping you collaborate with your team, Wrike can also help you stay organized and productive. You can use Wrike's filters and search functions to find specific tasks, and you can create custom views to organize your tasks in a way that works best for you. Wrike also offers a variety of integrations with other popular productivity tools, such as Google Calendar and Slack. Adding tasks to Wrike is easy and can help you stay organized, productive, and on top of your workload. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start using Wrike to manage your tasks and get more done. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and create your first task in Wrike today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, remember, Wrike is your ultimate task management tool. So go ahead and give it a try.